All right, so this is going to be your first problem. What you need to do is you're going to be evaluating using PEMDAS. Way back in the day, you may have learned, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. That is a way to actually teach the order of operations. So what this problem is saying is we've got 36 divided by 3 squared times 2, and then that's all in parentheses, and then subtract 3. So the first thing we need to do is we need to solve the power within our parentheses first. So I'm just going to bring this down. So we have 36 divided by 3 squared is 9. 9 times 2, and then a minus 3. The next thing is we're multiplying within our parentheses. So that gives us 36 divided by 18 minus 3. Division comes after that. And so that is 36 divided by 8, which is 2. And then we've got 2 minus 3. Subtract, we get negative 1. Therefore, our simplified expression is negative 1. That's it.